There have been times when someone's like, but I think you should line your lips.
I just want my lips to be look more attractive, just like Janvi Kapoor. And I also heard about lip flips and lip fillers. So could you suggest me?
One is lip flip and one is lip filler. So lip flip is basically we inject few units of Botox on the upper portion of your lip so as to increase the length of your lip. Especially in those cases, in those people where the upper lip is not visible when they smile, and also if they have a gummy smile. Those cases we can do lip flip by giving lip Botox. But in your cases, just smile, you don't have a dummy smile, but still your portion of the lip is still visible. So lip filler will be ideally suited for you. 1 to 1.5 ml filler will give you enhance your cupid bow and give you a very good lip volume and will proportionate your upper and lower lip and give you a youthful appearance. And also we have launched a very good lip filler which also increases the color of the lip. It makes your lips pink immediately. So go with that filler which will make your lips pink and give you a very good glow.